guys, so it is day 19 of the advent calendar and we have another mini kit. So this mini kit is actually the coffee break mini kit and it comes with 2 pages as usual. You guys can use this any time of the year. For those of you who need to get a jump start on things, sometimes I do need to remind myself to drink some more coffee, even though sometimes I really do need to stop drinking coffee. But anyway, so this is the 2-page mini kit. I believe I do have it in the works to make this a full kit, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that later on in the year. But everyone on the advent calendar gets first dibs on the mini kit. That is it for day 19. Stay tuned tomorrow for day 20.